Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to understand how to convert a Word document into a PDF file. Let's consider a Word document first, and then we will get to know how it is converted to a PDF file. This is the Word document that we want to convert to a PDF file. Suppose this is a resume or your CV or any bill which you don't want the people to edit after you have sent it to the recipient. So let's open this one first. Okay, so this is the experience letter that Tutorials in Hand is giving to certain person who has contributed or who has been part of a particular internship. So if we send this document to that person in this form, so it is possible that the person may edit the details. For example, he may share it with his friends and this can be changed to any name, Freddy or whatever he wants to change. So this is something which should not be the case when you are sending the things as an official document. Generally, whenever you are asked to send your CVs or resume to the company, then also they ask you to send it in PDF format. There is disadvantage in using the converters online because you are sending your data. Suppose it is your CV and it contains your mobile number, your permanent address and your college details, other lot of information which is personal to you, and it would be shared to the server of any of the particular website where you want to convert, and those data can be misused. In that case, before going to convert it through online, you should try to know that you can do it from here itself. So this is the document. Before sending it, I will just convert it to a PDF format. So just go to File, click on Save As, and then browse to the folder where you want the PDF file to be saved. Name should be same, and then just click on Save As Type. See, this is Save As Type. There is a drop down. If you click on drop down, there will be a lot of format in which you can save this particular Word document. So we want to save it to the PDF format. So just click on PDF format, and if we click on save, then a PDF file will be generated with this name at this particular location. But at the same time, there is a lot more option which you can try. Suppose the Word document that we are converting to PDF contains around 100 pages. So in that case, there are number of options that you can use. Suppose you want just page number 1 to 5 to be converted to PDF. So just click here 1 to 5, and out of those 100 pages, only page number 1 to page number 5 would be converted to PDF form. And if you want only the current page, suppose you are on the page number 5 and you want that page out of the 100 pages to be converted to PDF, so just click on current page and OK, and then save, and it will convert the page number 5 to a PDF document. But in our case, we have just one page Word file, so it is not at all mandatory right now, but you should be aware about these options as well before converting to PDF. So once we save this one, a PDF file will be generated to this location. Now let's go to this particular place and see whether it is generated or not, and see a PDF file has been generated. And if we open this PDF file, you will see it contains the same content that is there in the Word file. It's taking a bit of time, just wait for a few seconds. So this is the PDF file which has been generated, and now if anyone wants to change the content of this file, it is not possible for them to change, and thus you have converted your Word document to a PDF file. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching it to the end. And at the same time, we would request you to please like and subscribe this video and our channel so that you get further updates on the tutorials that we create in future.